Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease for farmers. Your farm may be infested by pests and is damaging your agricultural production. This has obviously a significant effect to your income. If you have paid ads to make your business known to the market, these click frauds are also pestering your paid ads, affecting your marketing budget. Auto-block click fraud. We tell AdWords not to show your ads to fraudulent sources, saving you time and a lot of money. Extensive analytics. Uncover the details behind the clean customer clicks and the dirty competitor clicks on your ads and set fraud-fighting rules tailored to your business. Change the "I think it is" into an "I know." Introducing your campaign Intel Operative, AdSpy. Still Googling your brand name, trying to figure out who is bidding on your keywords and how your competitors' ads rank against yours. Save your time with AdSpy. Get notified of new competitors and see your advertising ranks throughout the day. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.